The left side suspension bushing is cut, and really nice fit in there, nice snug fit. Just to verify the size, I put the first bushing I cut, which was too short, if you mean for the right side, and then I stacked up a half-inch. Let's see if we got here. Get the right package. There's the right package. Sorry for that. I apologize. And then I stacked up 20 thousandths shims, 4 of them, which worked out well. So that gave me a really good snug measurement, and then I could transfer that over on the lathe and cut the bushing. So that's how that turned out. Now let's see, is this the one I used? No, of course, sorry, I had to reach for it. Okay, this is the shim that goes around the 18 millimeter shim washer that goes around the outside of the tube. Oh, I dropped it. Hold on. Let's see. Sorry. You know, sometimes trying to do this with one hand is not the best. But it fits well around the outside. Gives about a almost near perfect measurement for that. And works out really well. So, nice. Works out real nice. So one of the two half-inch bolts, 20 thread, that I got to replace that one funky one that was in the front here. See if it will... I put it on a lathe. It's not really doing what I want it to do here. Let's try that. Maybe. But anyway, I took... I know, it's not doing well. I took on the lathe, took a little off to help guide it in, and because we know what that mismatch, and it came in pretty well, so that works. I had thoughts of sit back down over here. In one of my dry runs, I tried taking the bolt this way and got everything in, and it does go in easier if I go this way. But if I ever have to remove things, like to chain to a softer spring if I needed to, it means retracting the bolt all the way into the engine area, and maybe there's something in the engine area that's going to interfere with it coming out. So, like it showed before in the book and everything, all comes out the front. So that's, I say, progress at the moment. And I gotta get the right length bolt here. It's somewhere in my stuff. And then I can start assembling the rest of this. Another thing I need to add about the collar on the top of the shock. I looked at the old shock that I had, and it has same size collar. There may be a little difference in the recess here, and this is aluminum, and just seems to be a little more beefier. It's not steel, but I think it's aluminum. But it's the same diameter, same angle, and it was going to, if even I changed over, put them back on, it was still going to hit the same bit on there. I don't think there was anything, we'll say, different about this one versus the old one that would make the old one better to use than this. So that's, I did check it out, did compare the two. I didn't really see if I'd be gaining anything by switching back to the other one, the old ones. Okay, the right side is on, and you can see the washer that goes around the steel tube, the 18 millimeter, that goes around the steel tube of the A-arm, and it's in between to keep the two of them from hitting. A little bit of rubber. I got more light on this side. A little bit of rubber in the front here, and everything seems to be going together well. And yes, I did have to move. I filed that collar down before I put it on, so that gives me just a little bit more room. I think I'll make a small more adjustment back just a little bit. There we go. That's a little bit better. So, well, that is a major undertaking taken care of. And it works. It does work. So next is to continue getting the front suspension together. But I think this is enough fun for this video. Thanks for watching.